bored. I mean, these videos are great, but I'm bored. Let's go outside.
Okay.
I'm gonna go check and see how bad it is. Because I heard that it rained last night. But how bad can it be? It's a little wet. It's a rainy day, I guess. Sort of. I still think let's go outside.
You wanna play toy trucks?
What, dude? We're in like our freaking like 20s or something. Why would we play with toy trucks?
Don't know.
Whatever, let's just go outside. Alright, we're now outside. So, what should we do? Oh, we got our cars here.
I got my car.
Yeah, yours isn't as good as mine though. Mine's bigger.
Hey, who's that guy over there?
Oh no. Well, hello there, Kevin. Who the heck are you?
I'm Gerald.
No, your name's Greg, idiot. Oh, well, look at your puny car. Mine's way faster. No, it's not.
It isn't even a car, it's a truck.
No, this is, whatever, it doesn't matter. Car, truck, whatever. Ah. Well, how about I challenge you to a race? Then we know who's faster. Okay. Well, are you scared that your car isn't fast enough? No. I'm just, worried for you, because then you'll be so sad. Yeah, whatever. So, we start from there, that box, and go to that snow. Or maybe that one, I don't know. We'll go to, yeah, that snow over there. So, is it on, loser? Yeah, but I get Greg with me. Okay. I'll just go be over there. Right. On your marks. Get set. Go! Oh, I fell off. Hurry! Yeah! Looks like it's power-up time. Speed!
Kevin, we have to get on.
Okay.
We're almost to the finish.
Okay, let's go. Oh, looks like he's caught up. Ah, no!
Get back on.
Quick, get back on the snow. Get back to the snow. Go. It's stuck. Our car is stuck. And Kevin and Greg is the winner. Dang it. Well, you won this time. But next time, I will beat you guys. So I'm getting the heck out of here. Kevin, also, see you later, alligator. I'm a crocodile, idiot! How many times do I have to tell you? Not an alligator. I am a crocodile. Kevin the crocodile. Let's go. Oh, it looks like somebody else. Oh, dude, I have an awesome idea. Let me drive. So, I heard that there will be some fireworks tonight. We'll be here and we'll watch them. Whatever, dude. It doesn't matter. We'll still watch the fireworks. Oh, freaking great. You're here? Yep, I am. Alligator. Because I heard that the fireworks will be here. Dude, okay. How many times do I have to tell you that I'm not an alligator? I'm a crocodile. Why does everybody think I'm an alligator? I don't know. But, yeah, let's watch the fireworks. Yeah, let's watch the fireworks. Hey, fucking great, Greg. Wait, what are you doing? Ouch! Yeah, take that. That's what you get for calling me an alligator. Because I'm a crocodile. Kevin the crocodile. Okay, let's watch the fireworks. Wait. Oh no, the fireworks is coming toward us!